Good day, everyone. The God in me greets the God in you. God bless you. I am Nicole Eden and Diane.
I am Jancy Lawrence Airoso.
I'm Grace Marcus Pioria.
I am Earl Jan Manalo.
And we are here in front of you to discuss our own numeration system entitled Astronumerals, a Cosmic Numeration System. So our numeration system entitled Astronumerals, a Cosmic Numeration System. It is inspired by astronomical and planetary symbols, which are the Earth stands for 0, Venus for 1, Saturn for 2, Neptune for 3, and Jupiter for number 4. So our system is a base 5 numeration system that uses planetary symbols with an additive regrouping rule to represent numbers in a continuous way. Our symbols for number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are never repeated consecutively. Then, for our number 5, so makikita nyo po sa aming table ay 1, 2, 3, 4, then wala po yung 5. Kasi po, 5 to 9, kasi po, yun po yung first group of 5s namin. Tapos po, ang pag po divisible by 5 or multiples by 5, ang symbol po niya lagi ay, ang ones po niya ay laging earth symbol, which is 0. So, we have here the place values in our numeration system, which are the 5 to the 0 exponent is equals to 1, 5 to the first exponent is equals to 5, 5 to the second power is equals to 25, and 5 to the third power is equals to 125, and so on. For now, we have here the example to translate the base 5 directly to our astronumeral symbols. So, we have here 264, base 5. Now, the 2 represents the Saturn, and then we use dash to separate because of the place value. And then 6 is yan kung makikita nyo po. Then the number 4 is the Jupiter. Now, gagamit lang po tayo ng dash kapag po yung number is greater than or equal to 5. Pero kung hindi naman po, pwede na po natin na hindi gamitin yung dash. Yun po yung aming rule. Kapag kunwari po, 160. Ngayon, sa 160, matik naman po, kita na po natin na may merong greater than or equal to 5, which is the 6. So, gagamit na po tayo ng dash. Pero kapag po ang base 5 natin ay 240, no need na po na gumamit ng dash. Kasi po, hindi naman po siya greater than or equal to 5.
Example, let's translate the 170 base 5 to the astronomical symbols. So, as you can see here, the number one symbol represent the Venus. Then dash, we use dash because dahil para malaman yung place value or to regroup the symbols, para kasi kung continuous way natin gagawin yan is magkakaroon tayo ng confusion or magiging 1,102 siya. So kaya gumamit kami ng dash para ma-regroup siya or malaman ang place value. So the 7 is represent the Venus, Earth, and Jupiter. Then dash, the 0 represent Earth. So pag mag-start tayo, right to the left. So the Earth is ones, the 7 is tens, and the 1 is hundreds. So 1 times 5 to the power of 2 plus 7 times 5 to the power of 1 plus 0 times 5 to the power of 0. So this means is to convert to base 10.
Additionally po, kaya po ganito po ang aming number 7 is, sabi po nga namin kanina, yung 5 po, kapag po, di ba po ang 5 po, ang symbol nun ay yung Venus at saka po Earth. Ngayon po, idadagdag lang po namin yung symbol for number 2 para po 5 plus 2, 7. Kaya po yun po ang aming symbol.
So now, let's convert 264 to astronumerals. 264, since wala po kayo nakikitang base, Pag po kayo walang nakitang base, matic na base 10 siya. So, pero ngayon, i-convert natin siya as base 5. So, our base 5 represents the star. Yun po, star. So, let's convert it using successive division. 264 divided 5 is 52. 52 divided 5 is 10. 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So, ang magiging remainder po natin dito ay wala. Then, 5 times 10 is 50 minus 52 is 2. Yun po yung remainder natin doon. Then, 5 times 52 is 260 minus 264. Magiging remainder po natin ay 4. So, now, let's read it from bottom to the top. So, ang magiging sagot po natin dyan is 2024. 2024 base 5. We use the star to represent the subscript 5 instead of using the word 5. So, to check, let's check it. So, 2024 subscript 5 is equals to 2 times 5 to the third power plus 0 times 5 to the second power plus 2 times 5 to the first power and plus 4 times 5 to the 0 power. It is equals to 250 plus 0 plus 10 plus 4 is equals to 264.
Let's proceed to the addition of our astronumeral symbols. So, ang step 1 po namin ay yung, kunwari po, ang given po ay naka-base 10. So, ngayon, ang naka-base 10 po natin ay i-convert natin into base 5. For example po ay, what is 24 plus 16? So, wala po siyang base 5. Pag po silent, it means base 10 siya. So, ngayon, i-convert natin siya into base 5 to add. Then, una-muna po is yung 24. 24 divided 5 is 4. Then, hindi na po siya pwedeng i-divide sa 5. So, as it is na po. 4 at 4. 44 base 5 po ang equivalent ng 24 base 10. Then, next one is the 16. 16 divided by 5 is 3. So, hindi na po pwede yung 3 divided by 5. So, as it is na po na 3, 1 base 5. So, 16 base 10 is equivalent to 31 base 5. Ngayon, ang pag-a-add po natin is 44 base 5 plus 31 base 5. Ngayon, may rule po tayo sa addition na kapag po ang sum ay umabot ng 5, greater than or equal to 5, ay i-divide po natin siya into 5. Then, kung ano po yung remainder, siya po yung ilalagay natin sa baba. And then, kung ano po yung sagot, siya po ilalagay natin sa taas. I-carry po natin. Now, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Ngayon, sabi po natin greater than or equal to 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then, may remainder po siyang 0. So, ang ilalagay po natin sa baba ay yung remainder, which is the 0. And then, i-carry po natin yung 1. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Then, plus 3, 8. So, ngayon po, labis po ulit siya ng 5. So, 8 divided by 5 is 1. So, may remainder po siya ng 3, di ba? So, 3, ibababa po natin. Then, i-carry po natin si 1. Wala na po siyang katapat. So, ibababa na po natin si 1. So, 44 base 5 plus 31 base 5 is equals to 130 base 5. Now, to check, para po malaman kung tama po ang ating addition, 130 base 5 is equals to, i-convert po natin siya sa base 10. 1 times 5 to the second power plus 3 times 5 to the first power plus 0 times 5 to the 0 power is equivalent to 1 times 25 is 25 plus 3 times 5 is 15. Tapos ito po, matic 0 na. So 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 0 is 40. So now, equivalent po siya sa ating base 10 na 24 plus 16 is equals to 40. Then, yung ating po 130 base 5 is equivalent to 40 din po sa base 10. So, tama po siya. Another example po is what is 17 plus 8? So, naka-base 10 po siya. Ngayon, i-base 5 po natin siya. I-convert po natin using successive division ulit. So, 17 divided 5 is 3. Then, may remainder na 2. So, as it is, 17 base 10 is equals to 32 base 5. Then, the 8 divided by 5 is 1. Then, may remainder na 3. So, 8 is equivalent to 13 ang base 5. So, ngayon, ang i-add natin ngayon ay 32 base 5 plus 13 base 5. Ngayon po, ito muna po. Dito muna po tayo sa ones. 2 plus 3, 5. So, yun po ulit. 5 divided 5 is 1. Carry po natin dito. then 0 po yung remainder, ibababa po natin si 0, then may remainder po, may carry 1 po dito, so 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5 ulit. So may divided by 5 ulit, so 1, tas may remainder na 0, then i-carry po natin ulit dito, so wala na naman po siyang katapat. Ngayon, ibababa na lang po natin sa 0. So, 32 base 5 plus 13 base 5 is equivalent to 100 base 5. To check po ulit, lagi po natin i-check. 100 base 5 is equals to 1 times 5 to the second power plus 0 times 5 to the first power plus 0 times 5 to the 0 power. Is equivalent to 1 times 25 is 25. So, wala na po ito. Cancel out na po. So, 25 po ang sagot. So, 17 plus 8, 25. So, tama po. Let's proceed to the subtraction of our astronumeral symbols. Step 1 po ulit natin. Kapag po naka-base 10 po ang ating given, ay atin po siyang i-convert into base 5. Pero kapag po naman naka-base 5 na, ay didiretso na po tayo sa computation. So, ngayon po, ito pong example ko is naka-base 10 po siya. So, now, doon pa rin po tayo sa what is 24 minus 16. So, alam na po natin ang equivalent nito sa base 5, which is the 44 base 5 minus 31 base 5. So, yan. Ko-compute po natin. 44 base 5 minus 31 base 5 is equals to 13 base 5. Kung mapapansin nyo po, simple lang po siyang subtraction. Parang traditional subtraction lang din po, as it is na po. 44 minus 31 is 13. Tama naman po siya. Ngayon, to check, para po malaman natin if tama, 13 base 5 po ay i-convert natin into base 10 para malaman kung ang sagot sa 24 minus 16 at ang sagot sa base 5 natin ay tama. So, 13 base 5 is equals to 1 times 5 to the first power plus 3 times 5 to the 0 power. So, simplify po natin. 1 times 5 is 5. Then, 3 times 1 is 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So, 24 minus 16, 8. Then, sa amin pong base 5, 8 din po.
So now, for our multiplication, we will just simply multiply 20 base 10 times 16 base 10 is equals to 384. And then, we will convert 384 base 10 into successive division base 5. And the product is 384, and the answer for the successive division is 3014 base 5. And this is the astronumeral symbols.
And for our division, and may mga rules din po kami sa aming division. For example, what is 24 over 16? So, this is base 10. So, 24 over 16 is equals to 1. May remainder for 8. May remainder pong 8. So, again, 24 divided 16 is 1. And may remainder po siyang 8. So, yung 8, i-convert po natin sa base 5. So, 8 divided 5 is 1. So, may remainder po na 3. So, pagsasamahin po natin yon, ang magiging sagot po is 13 base 5. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, 44 base 5 divided to 31 base 5 is same lang po, na may remainder po na 13 base 5. So, in base 5, the answer is 1 remainder 13 base 5. So, instead of using R, we use the moon symbol to represent the remainder.